Swaminarayan students, hope you are all doing good, and today's thought for the day is success goes to head, failure goes to heart. That means when you are getting success, we will be in that situation. We got success, we had gained something, and we will forget everything. But failure happens, we will be thinking that why it happens, what is the fault, I have given every effort, why it happened. There it goes to heart. Okay student, with this thought let's start today's class. Last class we had discussed about the photosynthesis student. In this class we are going to do the continuation of that photosynthesis. We all know that photosynthesis is prepared. The process of preparing food by the green plants is called photosynthesis, in which carbon dioxide plus water gives. That means in this it is carbon dioxide is used, water is used. I already said in the presence of sunlight. Chlorophyll. Sunlight it is present already, and chlorophyll it is already there in the plant. Green color substance that present in the plant. Okay students, so sunlight and chlorophyll gives what it gives? It gives carbohydrate or glucose. We are calling it as glucose plus oxygen. Oxygen we are getting. So carbon dioxide and water, carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrate, that is glucose, and we are also calling it as carbohydrate. Glucose is a type of carbohydrate. In carbohydrate different types of sugars are there. Understood? Glucose is one of the sugar. Okay, and oxygen is released. Okay, so this carbon, this essential element in carbohydrate is, from that C we can understand carbon is there, hydrogen is there, and then oxygen is there. The essential element. Elements क्या क्या रहता है carbohydrate में? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Understand students? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen रहता है. And during this process oxygen is released. That's why we are saying that plant more and more trees so that we will get oxygen. And one more thing you have to remember students, only during photosynthesis oxygen is released. Remaining all other processes like respiration. During respiration plant also takes oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide like us. Understand students? Now this carbohydrate is produced, this glucose form, that is carbohydrate. Okay, so first of all we should know this extra food means when plant is preparing the food, sometimes it might be extra and sometimes it is it is not less, but it is producing maximum amount of food. So it is stored in the form of starch. Excess food is stored in the form of starch in the plant, and that starch we are eating. For example, when a small plant is growing or started growing, they are preparing the food. How much they want, they are preparing. But when it grow into a big plant, they are producing carbohydrate, and when excess of food is prepared, they store the food in the form of starch. When you are thinking that starch, what is meant by starch? It is a type of carbohydrate. It is a stored food. Starch means stored food. Stored food. Stored food. Starch means stored food. Understood? Every plant is having the starch, and that starch we are eating it as either as vegetable or fruit or as leaf. For example, in plant like potato, the starch is stored in that root part that we are eating. That is the excess food of the plant. And in plant like tomato is the vegetable what we are eating. That is the excess food of plant, that is starch is stored in the form of fruit, that is tomato. Understand? Like that every plant is storing their excess food. Understand, student? And to confirm the presence of starch in the plant, the stored food in the plant, what we are doing one activity. In that, what we are doing, we are taking a plant. We are taking a plant, keeping the plant in the dark for 2-3 days, and while keeping the dark, we are pasting a black chart paper in the place. Okay. After keeping the plant in the dark room, we are bringing and we are wrapping this cover with the black paper. कोई भी एक leaf को black color chart paper से cover करते हैं, and we are keeping in the sunlight. Okay, after few minutes or few hours, 2-3 hours, what you are doing, you are plugging the leaf and you are going to boil it. You are going to use alcohol. Alcohol we are using because to remove the chlorophyll. Because when the chlorophyll is removed, then we can find whether the leaf will produce starch or not. Okay, whether food or not. Okay, first what we are doing, we are keeping the potted plant in a dark room, and then we are for 3-4 days, and then we are keeping it in the sunlight for 2-3 hours, and while keeping, we are keeping one portion of the leaf we are covering with the black chart paper. Okay, and after a few hours we are plugging that leaf and we are boiling it. We are boiling with the alcohol to remove the chlorophyll. After doing that, what you are doing, you are washing with the water once again, and then you are putting iodine. When you put iodine, what happens? Leaf, washed leaf plus iodine. So what happens? The leaf which is covered part, that will become yellow, and this all remaining part, it will become blue color, dark blue color. Why? Because where the starch is produced, there it gives dark blue color. Where the starch is not produced, there it gives yellow color. Which color it gives? Blue black color. Dark blue nahi, blue black color. Bluish black. Blue black nahi, bluish black. Sorry students, that we are calling it as bluish black, student. Okay, so this shows the confirmation of photosynthesis. What are the confirmation it is showing? That sunlight is required, leaf is required, chlorophyll is required. When all these things are there, then only the starch is produced. Photosynthesis takes place. Understand, students? Now let's move on to the next part, that is other mode of nutrition. Now what we are saying, what we had saw was autotrophs. This all comes in autotrophs, students. In next part we are going to see about the heterotrophs, that is other mode of nutrition. Okay.